Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on some date functions in MySQL and MS-SQL Server. So last day in MySQL is similar to EOMONTH in MS-SQL Server. So we will see some examples on these date functions. So first of all I will show how these functions will work. So I am using the last underscore day. So here I am passing the date 2023-01-01. So it will return end of the month of that date. So January 31st, 2023. So instead of that, if you pass CUrdate, CUrdate function, what is CUrdate? CUrdate will return the existing date, today's date. So here I am passing select. First you will see CUrdate. CUrdate will return today's date. Today's date means it's July 29th. So I am passing last day of today's date. That it will give 31st July. See 31st July. So this is how this last day function will work. So coming to MS-SQL Server, we have EOMONTH. So what this EOMONTH will do? EOMONTH is just give the 2023-01-01. I'm passing here. So if you execute this one, you will get January 31st. So instead of date, I am passing here Getdate. Getdate is giving the today's date. So it will return 31st July. So EOMONTH of today's date is end of the month of today's date is July 31st. So this is how these two functions will work. So we will do some examples. The first question is here. Write a query to get day name of last day of the current month. So we already seen how to get the last day. So now we are adding to that DayName function. Day underscore name. We are adding for this date, for this last day of the current date. So Monday, it is saying Monday. That is July 31st is comes to Monday. See here, Monday. To get day name of the last day of the current month. Current month means today's this month. This month last day is July 31st. The day name for July 31st is Monday. So in the same way, we will go here using DateName function. So I am taking this one. I am adding DateName. DateName will take interval. That is, I am here. I ask weekday. Weekday for this date. So if you execute this one, you will get Monday. That means July 31st is Monday. So if you want to see the date as well, you will just copy this one, put comma and enter. So end of the month is July 31st. Day of the end of the month is weekday of the end of the month is Monday. Okay. So I am copying this one, paste it here. So I am copying this one, paste it here. First one is MS-SQL Server, second one is MySQL. Now coming to next question, write a query to get day name of the first day of the next month. So we already seen how to get the last day of this month. So for this we need to add one DateAdd function. Date underscore add. We add DateAdd function. DateAdd will take 3 parameters. So here I am adding comma interval 1 day. Any interval it will take. if you want a day, a month, or anything. So I am adding one day to the last day of the current date to get the output for first day of the next month. So if you execute this one, you will get August 1st. So for this we need to add, it is asking question is day name of the first day of the next month. So for August month we need to add day name. We need to get the day name of this whole thing. So it's Tuesday. So if you check the calendar, last day of this current month is Monday, and first day of this next month is Tuesday. Okay, so this is how you know to answer the second question. So I'm pasting here, and coming to MS-SQL Server, select question is to get day name of the first day of the next month. So first day of the next month means first you have to find out the end of the month of get date. So if you apply this one, July 31st. So we are going to add one day, date add. Date add syntax is little bit different from compared to MySQL and MS-SQL Server. Here it is asking interval first time itself. There it is asking last, and just one day to this one and execute this one. Now you will get August 1st. For this you need to know the name of the weekday name. What is the week name for the August 1st? So date name in MySQL it is a day name. In MS-SQL Server it is date name. You just mention for the interval weekday. Yes. So you need to get the answer Tuesday. So like what we did here, here also we'll get the Tuesday. So I'm copying this one and paste it in this. And final question is how to get the date January 1st 2024. So coming to MySQL, so we need to add select last underscore day for CUrdate. So July 31st. For that, if you want to, question is what is the Jan 1st 2024. For that, for this last day we need to add 5 months. 5 months you need to add. Here you go to end and add interval, mention your number and mention your interval name. I want to add 5 months to the July 31st. You will get the result as 31st December. So for this you need to add just one day. Date underscore add and go to last comma interval 1 comma day. See here, January 1st 2024. So I'm explaining this code here. First you need to find out the last day of the current date, that is July 31st. For that you need to add 5 months. This part you will execute. If you add the 5 months to the last day of the current date, you will get December 31st. For that you need to add just one day. Execute entire query. So you will get January 1st 2024. So coming to this one, MS-SQL Server, the same way we will get first to find out the get date of the EOMONTH, and you will get the EOMONTH is here 31st, and your add just if you want to get the if you want to find out the end of the next month, you will just mention 1 comma 1 comma 1 and execute. You will get August 31st. August 31st. Like that, if you want to get December 31st, you have to add 5 and 5 so that you will get December 31st as date. Now you need to get the add the DateAdd function by using DateAdd function. DateAdd. I am adding one day comma 1 comma, and I am executing this one. Close the parenthesis and execute. You will get January 1st 2024. So like this you can answer any related date functions using EOMONTH and last day. EOMONTH in MS-SQL Server, last day in MySQL. Hope this video helpful to know about these two functions. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.